So Discord recently changed the UI, and now even the Vencode method to get back the old UI is not working. But still, there's a way by which you can get back the old UI on Discord. So let's see how this works. So first of all, close the Discord app on your PC. Now open the browser. Now here search for Vencode. After this, click on this download button. Now here you will see this option called Download Vencode Installer. Click on it. Now this will download Vencode Installer. Now this is the file. Click on it to run it. Now here click on Install to install the Vencode. And now as you can see here, Vencode installed. After this, minimize the window. Now open the Discord on your PC. Now once you launch the Discord, click on the settings icon next to your profile. Now here you will see this option called Vencode. Now this means Vencode is installed. After this, minimize the window. Now open the browser. Now here search for old code theme. Now here you will see this GitHub link. Click on it. And this will open old code theme. Now here scroll down. Now here you will see different methods for installation. For example, here we have Better Discord and Vencode. So for this video, we will go with Vencode. From here, copy this link under the online method. Now open the Discord. Now under the Vencode, click on Themes. Now here you will see these two options, local themes and online themes. Here click on online themes. Now here in this box, paste the link you copied. After this, click off this box like this. And the theme is now installed. Click on escape. And now this will revert the old UI of the Discord. So this is how I can get back the old UI of Discord. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.